Hello children, you were asking me about the workbook, right? We are going to start up with the workbook activity today. Okay, see in your workbook in page number 5 you have fill-ups. Okay, fill in the blanks. Okay, I'll read out the question, I'll give you the answer. In the video you'll find the answer. If you have any clarification, listen to the audio and write the answer. Okay. When the heart pumps blood into the arteries at high pressure, it causes a pulse. The first blank is arteries. A-R-T-E-R-I-E-S. The second question, the upper left chamber of the heart receives blood from the lungs. L-U-N-G-S, lungs. Third question, there are three major types of blood vessels: arteries, veins and capillaries. A-R-T-E-R-I-E-S, arteries. V-E-I-N-S, veins. C-A-P-I-L-L-A-R-I-E-S, capillaries. Fourth question, hemoglobin comprises of iron and protein. P-R-O-T-E-I-N, protein. Dash are the smallest cell that help in clotting of blood. Platelets. P-L-A-T-E-L-E-T-S, platelets. Dash blood cells act as the soldier of our body. Answer is WBC. WBC. The tube that carries blood are called blood vessels. B-L-O-O-D, blood. V-E-S-S-E-L-S, blood vessels. Okay, and the next one, there is a diagram. You have to label the parts. First one is plasma, second one is WBC, and the third one is platelet. Okay, and next one is the match the following. Capillaries are thin tubes that connects arteries to the veins. Second, white blood cells fight with the germs entering our body. Third is plasma, is a liquid portion of the blood in which all blood cells are suspended. Fourth one, platelet, helps in preventing blood loss by making blood clot. And the fifth one, RBC, carry oxygen with the help of hemoglobin, a red pigment. Is that clear? Okay, next, fourth question, define circulatory system. Define circulatory system. The circulatory system helps in circulating or transporting nutrients, water, gases and many other essential nutrients throughout the body. Once again I repeat it, the circulatory system helps in circulating or transporting nutrients, water, gases and many other essential nutrients throughout the body. That is the fourth answer. Okay, and the fifth answer, which food items help in the formation of RBC, that is red blood cells? Green vegetables help in the formation of RBC as they are a good source of iron. Green vegetables help in formation of RBC as they are a good source of iron. Sixth question, how does the function of arteries differ from that of the vein? Arteries are the blood vessels that carry oxygen-rich blood away from the heart, and when heart pumps blood into the arteries at high pressure, it causes a pulse. Arteries are the blood vessels that carry oxygen-rich blood away from the heart, and when heart pumps blood into the arteries at high pressure, it causes a pulse. That is the answer for the sixth one. And the seventh answer is, question is, why blood red in color? Why is blood red in color? Blood is red in color due to the presence of red color pigment, namely hemoglobin, which carries oxygen. Blood is red in color due to the presence of a red color pigment, namely hemoglobin, which carries oxygen. That is the answer for the seventh question. And eighth question, you have to draw a heart. Okay, and next one is ninth question. Heart is a muscular organ that pumps blood to different parts of our body justify the statement. The expanding and contracting action of our heart helps in pumping blood to the different parts of our body. The expanding and contracting action of our heart helps in pumping blood to the different parts of our body. Okay, and the last one is the 10th question. Our heart beats 72 times in a minute, and if we hold our wrist and count the pulse rate, it is also 72. What is the correlation between the two? The heart pumps blood through continuous expansion and contraction. The pulse in our blood vessel also beats with the same rhythm as the pumping of the heart. The heart pumps blood through continuous expansion and contraction. The pulse in our blood vessel also beats with the same rhythm as the pumping of the heart. Okay, next one is MCQs. The first answer is blood. One cellular part of the blood comprises of platelets. Okay, first one is blood. Second answer is veins. Which of the following blood vessel can be seen through the skin? It is veins. Second one is veins. Third one, blood that is poor in oxygen is pumped into the dash from the dash. It is pumped into the lungs from the heart. Okay, the blood which is poor in oxygen is pumped into the lungs from the heart. Which of the following muscle work continuously without getting tired? It is heart's muscle. Heart's muscle. Raman is having an infection. Which cell of his blood will help him to fight against the infection? It is white blood cells. Okay, fifth one is white blood cells. And the sixth one, a type of blood vessel help in the exchange of food, gases and other materials between the blood and different organs of the body. This type of blood vessel have very thin walls. They have very thin walls. Okay, Renu got a cut on her finger while chopping vegetables. She observed that after some time the flow of blood has stopped from the cut. Which of the following components of the blood is responsible for blood clotting? The answer is platelet. The answer for the seventh one is platelet. Doctor has advised Deepali to eat lot of green vegetables. This diet will help in the formation of red blood cells. Okay, eighth one is red blood cells. Aniket wants to deliver carbon dioxide to his heart. In which of the following blood vessels will carbon dioxide flow along with the blood in to reach the human heart? It is veins. Ninth one is veins. And the 10th one is Varun's heart beats 72 times in a minute. What will be his pulse rate? 10th one will be 72 times in a minute. Okay. The answer for the 10th one is 72 times in a minute. Okay. And the next one is the application part, which you guys should do on your own. Okay, get your parents' help and try doing the application part on your own. Okay, is that clear, children? Okay, bye.